Hi guys, Rina here from MoneyWise. Now I'm wearing my MoneyWise hat. There's a formula that I love to give because I have seen it work. In my 20-something years in financial services and in investing and in growing, this is something I have seen for real. That wealth is as a result of three things. So this is a formula I'll give you. An income of any kind. So if you want to be wealthy, you have to have an income. So you need to work. You need to generate some income, whether it's a business you're doing or you're working for somebody. It doesn't matter. You're selling, you're trading. It doesn't matter. Income of any kind that you set aside, okay? So income of any kind, consistency in investing that income, and time. You can decide it's 5,000 I'm investing. If you decide you're investing 5,000, you put it aside consistently every month, and you decide you're going to invest it for let's even talk about 35 years. If you're 25 to the age of 60, or even if you're 40 for another 35 years, you will invest that money. If you can invest it at 10% per annum, you will end up with 17.8 million. Yes, you will. If, let's say, in fact, we did a formula today, you have 100,000 and like I earn 100,000, and if I remove all the different costs, in terms of statutory deductions, and I end up with, I think the formula that I came up with, the 10% of the net was something like 6,700 and some shillings. We worked it out to see if I invested that 6,700 and something, I forget what the last two digits were, like 38 bob or something, you would end up with 22.8 million shillings, right? So you don't need a lot. The key thing is an income of any kind. Time and consistency will get you there. Because in fact, you'll find this month it's 6,700, or it's 5,000, or it's 2,000, but next month it could be 10, the other month 5, the other month it could be 100 based on what you're doing. And the moment you have a goal, the moment you have a target about what it is that you want to do, ideas and opportunities come. I think that money follows purpose. So if you have a purpose, you have a goal, you have a target of what you want to do, money will come. So what is that thing that you want to be able to do? The money will come. Just figure it out, be faithful, and be consistent in putting money aside. If you want to know where to put money aside, send us an email and we shall get back to you on some options that you can consider. Take care.